This is Rala and welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be about a trade breakdown, and I'm gonna be sharing the trade which I took during London session. So today this is the trade which I'm going to break down today, and we captured around 65 pips, as you can see here. If we measure the entry and exit points, as you can see, we captured almost 65 pips, and it was a very good trade. And also this was the trade in gold, as you can see. And also we took a trade in New York session just 2 hours or 1 hour before I'm recording this video. And it was a losing trade, but still then we are up $454 as per today whole day. And this is the complete trading statement of today. So this, as you can see, this trade made me around $575 in total. And the trade which I placed during New York session, this is the trade which I placed during London session. And London session is the session in which I usually trade. Most of my order executions are during London session, and in during New York sessions I trade very rarely. So the basically, so this around $575, as you can see, made during London session. And this statements of PNL are during, let me show you with the, yeah, this is the complete statement now. Yeah, this is the complete statement of today. So this losing trading PNL is of the trade which I took during New York session. So during New York session I pretty much entered around here, anticipating for the price to move to push down. And because as you can see here, there was a bearish candle, then a bullish candle, which created a support over here. And this bearish candle broke the support and closed below the support. And pretty much I entered around here, as you can see, and I was anticipating for the price to move up till this support zone over here, so which made around 53 pip clean range. And I was anticipating to grab something around 45 to 50 pips. But price did move down, as you can see, but I didn't book partials, and I still held the trade for the price to completely hit my TP with full quantity. But again the price reversed back and took my SL. But the thing is, I didn't hit my SL with full quantity. When I was in drawdown, I was still booking partials in drawdown when I was in drawdown. So the thing is, I should have booked partials when I was in positive. This is the key mistake I am performing mostly every time. So I have to, basically I am video journaling, so I am open to my mistakes so that I can watch back and realize what mistakes I am making frequently, so that I can improve myself. So this is one of my mistakes. I have to close some of the positions when I'm in plus, and especially when I am 50% up as compared to my TP. So here around I was anticipating to grab almost 50 pips. Yeah, I was anticipating for the price to move bearish, to move push down almost 50 pips. And it did move around 28 pips. So it's basically more than 5%, 50%. So it was a chance to book some partials, but I didn't book any partials, and that was my key mistake. But still then I lost I lost the desired amount. I didn't risk much during this trade. I risked low because I know that I don't usually trade New York session. And during New York session the price in gold behaves with with high uncertainty. What I have experienced in this 9 months 10 months of consistent trading, that price in price price action in gold usually behaves in a very uncertain way during New York session, and mostly it is one directional in London session. As you can see, the price was pretty much in one directional during London session, and we grabbed the opportunity very in a clean way. As you can see, this trade which I am going to break down now is very clean trade, complete one directional trade. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the charts. So this is the trade over here, which was around 3.3 hour trade, which is a very good R multiple, what you can say, the risk is reward ratio trade. And in this trade, what we can see is this is very basic strategy, that we are in a bullish trend. As you can see, the gold is in a complete bullish trend. So as you can, the great proverb says that trend is your friend. So according to the trend, I was just anticipating for a bullish what you will say, for a opportunity in which I can take a bullish trade, like a buy trade. So basically what I did was I waited, and this, as soon as this bearish candle was formed at 11:30 a.m., I realized that okay, now the bearish candle is forming, this big bearish candle is forming. There are high chances for the price to create a support, and I was just anticipating, and it did happen exactly. So okay, the price, this candle over here can act as a clean range, and the price is almost bullish, the trend is almost bullish, strong bullish trend, and here we get a strong bearish candle, and the price is reversing from around here. So there are high probabilities for the price to cover up this whole fall over here, and this correction move will be my trade. So, and it did happen, by the way, and that was my trade, and it did happen during London session, and we captured this. So what happened was price did created a support, and it created a bullish candle over here, again created a bearish candle over here, due to which we get resistance. So as you can see, we get a small resistance over here, and this bullish candle over here, which formed during 1:30 p.m. and this time zone is according to the IST time zone, Indian Standard Time Zone. And let me tell you that in 1:30 London sessions are going on. At 1:30 p.m. according to IST, according to Indian Standard Time, London Open happens. So this is the best opportunity. To me, this was a very best opportunity, because as you can see here, this candle broke and closed above this resistance over here, and this is the 1:30 p.m. candle, and in 1:30 p.m. London Open happens, and during London Open, there are high probabilities for the price to continue pushing up or continue pushing in the respective direction, because volume kicks in during the London Open. A huge volume kicks in, so there are high probabilities for the price to continue pushing up due to volume. So volume plays a very important role. So I trade, I use price action, but mostly I use, if there is no volume in the market, then there will be uncertainty. Sometimes there is a very high volume in the market, and there are uncertainties, but at those times are little exceptional, like very rare. But if there is no volume, then there are uncertainties, obviously. But if there is a volume and the market is and the price action is somewhere, you can assume one directional, that's where the trade happens, that's where the opportunities are made, and that's where, and in those times you have to grab those opportunities. So this is the 1:30 candle, and on the at 1:30 London Open happens, and what I anticipated exactly, those scenario happened. Volume pushed the price up 65 pips. Not we captured 65 pips actually, but according to my setup, or what you will say, after the breakout, and after the candle closing above the zone, above the resistance, price did move and gave a solid 106 pip move. So out of 106 pip move, we captured around 65 pips move, which is absolutely great. So this was the trade of the day, and we also, I also explained you the losing one. So this was, 2 trades a day criteria. Today was pretty much a very good day. We stayed within our rules, and I just took 2 trades, but as you can see, there are so many minus 25, minus 43. These are basically the partial bookings, as you can see. That's why if you see here, in total trades you will be seeing 13, but this 13 over here is something, in the Alpha Capital group, 13 is considered it is considering the entry and exits also. So if I entered a trade and if I exit a trade, that is considered as a 2. Total trades is equal to 2. And if I entered a trade and in between I booked one partial, and at the end I will be completely closing the quantity at another price, it will be counting as 3 trades, 3 total trades. So don't go don't consider this number as my number of trades. Actually, this were the only 2 trades which I showed you I took during this day. These were the only decisions trading decisions I made today. So basically only 2 trades a day, tick, okay, that was our first criteria. 2 trades a day, okay, no problem. We traded during London session, okay, cool. That was one of the key, I'm just saying this for the sake of we passed the every check boxes according to our trading setup. So pretty much today it was a winning day, and we closed with $454 over here. If you will see, we have a very 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 good win rate over here, about more than 50%, and we are still profitable in this account. And we are trading since 17 days, as you can see here. But yeah, hoping for the best. Let's see what happens. So this was all for the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you are watching till now, hope you hope you have gained some knowledge. And this was a complete journal video, so I was open about my mistakes. And basically I am making this video for myself, so that I can look back to these videos, and and realize my mistakes actually. So in the end, I will say, just keep learning, keep experimenting, and stick to a particular strategy. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye, take care, peace out.